Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you how to log in to your Kik account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser, go to your search tab and type kik.com and enter. This will lead you to the official homepage of Kik. So here you can see on the right corner you have login and sign up button here. Now click on this login button here and you can see here. First you will need to give your username and after that give your password. You can also log in from Google account or your Apple account and then click on this login button here. Now for the login verification, you will receive an email of 6-digit code on the email address that is associated with your Kik account. As you can see that I have already received one. Open it up, copy the verification code and paste it over here. And then now you can see that we have logged in. So this is my account here. So it is a very easy and simple process to do. I hope you guys like the video, and if you find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.